Hey guys, what's up? It's Savannah and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I thought I'd give you a little tour of our place because we are down in the Outer Banks and we're gonna do some cool things, but I thought I'd show you the place before we get into that. This is the Whalebone Oceanside Beach Cottage. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage. So first we're gonna start with the porch because obviously that's where we are right now. This is where we have 3 chairs and a table. Then, once we go inside, this is the living room. You've got love seats and 2 full-size couches. Don't forget about the TV on the wall. Alright guys, let's take you to the kitchen.
Welcome to the kitchen. You guys have a sitting area for 8. You guys have all the appliances you will have basically in your house. You got an oven, a stove, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, and you guys have a full-size fridge, and we have a full-size, well, a pretty good-sized freezer. Oh, we can't forget about the dishwasher. It's a decent-sized dishwasher, and you have basically everything that you basically have in your own house. All right, let's bring it to the first bedroom.
Welcome to the master bedroom. So, it has a full-size bed, a small dresser and a TV in here, as well as a closet for you to put your luggage and hang the things that you want to. It's nice that it has a ceiling fan as well, so when it is hot, you can turn the ceiling fan on to get you a nice breeze at night. And it has an ensuite bathroom. So, pretty standard bathroom. It has a sink and a shower and tub combo. So, that's the master bedroom. It's not super huge, but it's everything you need to be comfortable. So let's take you to the other 2 bedrooms.
Welcome to the second bedroom. Here we have a bunk bed. On top, we have a twin bed. On bottom, we have a full bed. Here, we have a dresser. And over here, we have a closet, so we can fit our clothes. Let's take you to the last bedroom.
What's up guys? Welcome to the last bedroom. This is a full-size bed. This is where I will be sleeping. And in here, you've got basically a dresser, a TV, and then of course a lamp and all the other stuff. And you've got your closet over here. It's a little small closet right here so you can like hang up all your stuff if you needed to. Alright, let's go back into the living room. Oh, actually, I almost forgot about the other bathroom. So go on in and you will see a shower, a toilet, and a nice vanity.
Alright guys, they actually have a pool, but right now it's off season, so it will be great for the summer.
So the Whalebone cottages are right on the beach. You can walk to the beach. You can actually see it if you're sitting out on your little deck that's out here with chairs. So it's right on the beach. It's really nice. And that's it. So subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll put a link below to show you where the Whalebone cottages are, and you can take a look at yourself.
Make sure to follow us on our channels because there will be more adventures as we're in the Outer Banks. See you guys next time. Bye!
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you.